Is your space starting to feel messy, cluttered, and honestly a bit overwhelming? Don't worry, because today we've got some seriously smart Amazon organizers that can completely change the way your home looks and feels. These are practical, space-saving, and honestly kind of life-changing. From your desk, to your kitchen, to your closet, everything is about to get a whole lot cleaner and easier to manage. Let's jump straight into the ultimate organization glow-up. Collapsible storage bins. Say goodbye to clutter chaos with these ultra-smart collapsible storage bins that instantly transform any messy space. Featuring a 5-tier stackable design, durable plastic construction, and smooth rolling wheels, these bins are built for maximum convenience and mobility. The front opening doors make access quick and effortless without unstacking everything. Perfect for living rooms, offices, or bedrooms. They help you stay organized while saving serious space. If you want a cleaner, more efficient home setup without the hassle, this is a must-have upgrade. Cologne Organizer Stand. Turn your fragrance collection into a premium display with this sleek rotating cologne organizer. Designed with a 3-tier wooden structure, smooth 360-degree rotation, and sturdy craftsmanship, it keeps your perfumes easily accessible and beautifully arranged. The compact design fits perfectly on any desk or dresser without taking up too much space. It's perfect for daily use, making your morning routine faster and more stylish. If you want to level up your grooming setup while staying organized, this is a game changer. Stackable storage bins. Maximize your storage space instantly with these versatile stackable storage bins that are built for modern living. Featuring collapsible construction, secure lids, and built-in wheels, they are perfect for flexible and mobile organization. The front doors allow quick access without the need to move or unstack the bins. Ideal for closets, dorms, or small apartments. These bins help you keep everything neat without sacrificing space. If you are tired of messy piles and wasted storage, this smart solution is exactly what you need. Ultra Slim Storage Cart. Transform tight, unused spaces into functional storage with this ultra slim rolling cart. Designed with a 4-tier vertical structure, smooth rolling wheels, and a narrow profile, it easily slides into gaps between furniture or appliances. The sturdy shelves provide plenty of room for bathroom essentials, kitchen supplies, or office items. It is perfect for maximizing every inch of your home without adding clutter. If you are struggling with small spaces and need a smart storage solution, this cart is a total lifesaver. Large Dual Monitor Stand. Upgrade your workspace instantly with this large dual monitor stand that combines style and functionality. Featuring a wide 42.5-inch surface, built-in drawer storage, and a durable wood and acrylic design, it keeps your desk organized while elevating your screens to a comfortable height. The extra space underneath is perfect for storing keyboards, accessories, or documents. It is ideal for boosting productivity and reducing desk clutter at the same time. If you want a cleaner and more ergonomic setup, this is a must-have. Bamboo Drawer Organizer. Bring order to your kitchen chaos with this elegant bamboo drawer organizer that keeps everything perfectly in place. Made from premium bamboo material, it features expandable compartments, a sturdy build, and a natural aesthetic that fits any kitchen style. The adjustable design allows you to organize utensils, cutlery, and tools exactly how you need them. It saves time, reduces mess, and makes cooking more enjoyable. If you are tired of digging through cluttered drawers, this simple upgrade will change everything. Stacking drawer units. Declutter your home effortlessly with these stackable drawer units designed for ultimate versatility. Featuring a sliding drawer system, stackable design, and durable plastic construction, they provide easy access and customizable storage. Perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, or offices, they help organize everything from clothes to supplies. The compact design fits into tight spaces while maximizing vertical storage. If you want a simple yet powerful way to stay organized across your entire home, these drawers are a must-have. Desk File Organizer. Take control of your workspace with this all-in-one desk file organizer that keeps everything within reach. Designed with a 5-tier tray system, built-in drawer, and pen holders, it offers multiple storage zones for documents and office supplies. The durable mesh construction ensures long-lasting use while maintaining a modern look. It is perfect for boosting productivity by reducing clutter and keeping your desk clean. If you want a more efficient and professional workspace, This organizer delivers big results. Rotating spice rack. Upgrade your kitchen setup with this 360-degree rotating spice rack that makes cooking faster and easier. Built with durable pine wood, adjustable height, and a large capacity design, it keeps all your spices neatly organized and accessible. The smooth rotation allows you to find what you need instantly without digging through cabinets. It is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or even cosmetic storage. If you want a cleaner and more efficient countertop, this stylish organizer is a must-have. Mobile file cabinet. Secure and organize your important documents with this sleek mobile file cabinet designed for modern offices. Featuring 3 spacious drawers, a built-in locking system, and smooth rolling wheels, it combines security with convenience. The sturdy metal construction ensures durability while fitting neatly under most desks. It is perfect for keeping files, office supplies, and valuables organized and protected. If you want a professional and clutter-free workspace, this cabinet is an essential addition. Under-sink organizers. Unlock hidden storage space with these under-sink organizers that turn chaos into order instantly. Featuring a 2-tier design, sliding drawers, and durable construction, they make accessing cleaning supplies and essentials effortless. The compact structure fits perfectly under sinks in kitchens or bathrooms. It is perfect for maximizing unused space while keeping everything neatly arranged. If you are tired of messy cabinets and hard-to-reach items, this solution will completely transform your storage game. Legging organizer hangers. Keep your closet perfectly organized with these space-saving legging organizer hangers. Designed with 10 clips per hanger, rubber-coated grips, and a sturdy metal frame, they securely hold up to 20 leggings without slipping. The vertical design saves tons of closet space while keeping everything visible and easy to access. Perfect for activewear lovers, it simplifies your daily outfit choices. If your closet is overflowing with clothes, this is the easiest way to declutter instantly. Makeup storage drawers. Transform your vanity into a clean, aesthetic setup with these multi-drawer makeup organizers. Featuring 16 compartments, a clear dustproof design, and stackable units, they keep cosmetics, jewelry, and accessories perfectly sorted. The transparent build lets you find items instantly without opening every drawer. It is perfect for saving time during busy mornings while keeping everything neat. If you want a clutter-free beauty station that looks as good as it functions, this is a must-have. Acrylic wall shelves. Upgrade your wall space with these sleek acrylic floating shelves that combine style and function effortlessly. Designed with a clear minimalist look, durable material, and easy wall mounting, they are perfect for displaying perfumes, books, or decor. The set of 4 gives you flexible arrangement options to match any room. They help free up counter space while adding a modern touch to your home. If you want a clean, organized, and aesthetic setup, these shelves are a perfect choice. Hanging closet organizer. Turn your messy closet into a perfectly structured space with this hanging closet organizer. Featuring 6 spacious shelves, durable fabric construction, and a simple hanging design, it instantly adds vertical storage to any wardrobe. It is perfect for organizing clothes, shoes, or accessories without needing extra furniture. The foldable design also makes it easy to store when not in use. If you are running out of closet space, this is one of the simplest and most effective solutions. Rotating jewelry box. Keep your jewelry safe, organized, and beautifully displayed with this stunning rotating jewelry box. Featuring a 360-degree rotating design, 5 spacious drawers, and a clear glass window, it offers both functionality and elegance. The vertical structure saves space while holding a large collection of accessories. It is perfect for quick access and protecting your valuables from dust and damage. If you want a stylish and efficient way to store your jewelry, this organizer is a must-have. Metal monitor stand. Boost your productivity and declutter your desk with this sturdy metal monitor stand. Designed with a 2-tier structure, durable metal frame, and extra storage space underneath, it helps organize office supplies while elevating your screen for better ergonomics. The compact design fits perfectly on any desk without taking up too much room. It is perfect for creating a cleaner and more efficient workspace. If you want a simple upgrade with big impact, this stand is worth it.